To the food and beer patois, the home of one love. Number one in the world, the little of with Talawa. You can't hungry and sweet, sweet jam dog. We have rose, red fruit and run yes, blessed from creation. How many one people? What a little island.
We still can't do anything, and to us Year's 2024 JCDC Festival Song Competition Year of Inclusion Candy Isaacs! This one is here, but cannot be denied. You don't need eyes to see. You need congratulations! 2024!
I am excited, I'm elated, I am on top of the world. I have to be pinching myself to see if I still if I'm awake or I'm dreaming. But it feels great. It's an awesome feeling.
And what was the journey like getting to this final for you?
I enjoyed every minute of the journey. I can't believe it come and done already. Like I know at the beginning, but I won't miss the contestants because I'm friendly bad. We're like family, And so the journey from start to finish has been nothing short of awesome.